Okay, she got on every single night, and I don't want
What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I am gonna be showing you guys some making, like, if you want to make your blocks like bigger. Yeah, I'm gonna show you some of the tools in Unity for that, and we're also gonna be making our first ever object in our game in this video. So let's get into the video now. So firstly, you want to obviously open up Unity, so let's open up that. Now we want to go to RNFA, our game, come on, wait for it to load, there we go. Now, this is the boring old thing we have, our cube is right there. Let me go a bit higher, one sec. So there's our cube right there, we spawned in the last two videos, sorry, or last three, I'm not sure. But we spawned in a cube, as you can see right there. We did spawn in a cube, and now in this video I'm going to be showing you some cool tricks to make your cube bigger, smaller, higher and lower, and everything like that you can do. So so the first tool you have is the move tool, as you can see. So you see where my mouse is? If you go up to here, it says move tool. Move tool, as you can see. This just moves it back and forth, right to left, and up and down. So the Y, as you can see, this is Y. So up here, it's bird's eye view, so it's Y. It's the Y area. Here is the Z area, this way. Here is the X area, which is so as you can see, this is the X area, so it's gonna be moving left to right. The Z area, which is right here, is gonna be moving it should, wait one sec, you have to get it on a specific angle, but it's gonna be moving right to left, and this one, it's gonna be moving, so this one moves up and down, this one moves right to left, this one moves up and down also, but like the other way, as you can see. This one moves like back and forth, this one moves right to left. And if you want to select one whole thing at once, so it moves two, instead of selecting one of these arrows, you can select two. So you see this little box in here that I'm selecting, you can select one of them, and it'll highlight two of the arrows, and it goes in that direction, like diagonally. So I'm gonna bring it up to here, right where I am, and then I'm gonna also bring this way, a bit up. So I'm gonna bring it that way. So like you can do two directions at once, and that's pretty cool as well. The next tool is called the the rotate tool. And the rotate tool, it's pretty self-explanatory. It basically rotates the object, and the first thing I want to show you is at the top here it says local. You can change this to global, so it's facing the global direction. So now if you want to, so now it's a global direction, so now if you change it back to local, it's going to swap blue with red and stuff like that. So it's going to be your local, like the way you're facing, it's going to change it to the way you're facing. So then global would be the way the world's facing, and like in Unity, and local will be how you're facing. So it will just change the way you're facing, so it's easier for you to design and everything. Play around with these two, I'd say, but at the end, put this on local. So at the end, just put this back on local, and yeah. So so this can just move around, rotate, everything like that, and you can make pretty cool stuff. You can spin it around 1 billion times, and yeah, it's basically used to move around and rotate objects. The next tool is called the scale tool. This is what will make your object way bigger. So for example, I'm going to select this is that green? Yeah, that's green. It makes it way bigger. Look, it makes it taller. If I select red, makes it wider. If I select this, it goes up and down. Or sorry, right to left, this goes up and down. So yeah, this one, and you can also select all three of these at once by clicking the little cube in the middle and selecting them both. You can drag it really small or really huge, as you can see right there, and then you can go in it and you see nothing. Yeah, but I'd say just bring it down. Wait, so I'm just gonna bring it down to a normal cube size. There we go. So that's a cube, right? Yeah, that's a cube. So yeah, just play around with these tools as I'm saying them, and yeah, just play around with them as much as you want, because we are going to be designing with all of these tools in a future video in one of our Unity lessons. We're going to be playing a lot with these tools throughout these coding courses, coding videos. So we're going to be playing around with these a lot. Designing with these a lot. So you have to be able to be good at using these. Okay, so the next tool you're going to be thinking is the rec tool. We don't need to use this for now. We might be using it, but I don't think we're going to be using it for now. So let's just move on. Don't use anything like that. Don't do anything to this one. We're going to be moving to the everything tool, which combines everything into one. Instead of trying to select this and rotating it, and then you go here to make it bigger, you can just go to the everything tool basically, and you can do everything in one. So you can make this move, you can make this move as well, and you can make it bigger, you can make it rotate, you can make it yeah, you can do everything that I just showed you at once, so you don't have to keep on switching little areas. And yeah, so now you're probably wondering, oh, this is no cube anymore. Oh god, we messed up. No, Arian, what the hell did you do? Now you're gonna mess up the game. Now I don't have a cube anymore. I have this rectangular shape sort of thingy. Oh my god, what have you done? Easy as you, it's pretty easy to bring it back to your cube. All you have to do, press on it, and then you'll see in the inspector here, you'll see a little transform area, and then you're gonna come into this wheel thing, the setting, it looks like a settings menu. You're gonna drop down the arrow and press reset. Bang! You've gotten your cube back to normal. How proud are you? Very proud, right? You've gotten your cube back, and it's nice as a cube. And then you can reset. You can just play around with these tools. So play around with these tools, make it as big as you want, make it super big, and then you can go bang, bang. Make sure to reset it after, because I am going to be showing you something just now. So now we're going to be making our first ever road. This isn't actually going to be used in our game, but I'm just going to be showing you a concept of how we are going to be making our vehicles and roads and trees and characters and everything like that in this game. So firstly, you want to click on this, and you want to, like I said, you have to be able to use these really well. So as I said, you have to be able to use these like tools really well. So we're gonna be making a road, and the road is flat. So we have to firstly, hey, I'll select the everything tool. Now bring this a bit down to like that much. Make sure it's on these little grids, okay? So go up a bit, make sure it's on the grid, on one of these grids here. Actually, I'm not going to select the everything tool. So firstly, let's put it exact on the grid. There we go. A bit bigger. It's pretty good, right? Yep, that's pretty good for now. We'll just bring it a bit to the right, sorry, the left. There we go. So you're going to make sure it's like, here, we're going to be adjusting these so later, but just make a little road just make a little road. Just not gonna be too perfect because this is just a concept. Don't worry, it's not the biggest thing in the world. Just make a little line thingy like this. Just not the biggest thing in the world, so don't worry. We're just gonna make this a bit bigger like that. Gonna make it like there. Where's the line? Right there. Okay, so we'll make it up to there. And then we're gonna move it, so now it's here, and we'll bring it right on the line of the grid. So now, oh my god, what happened? Okay, so now as you can see, it's on this little line, like near it. You want to make sure it's near this line, these lines. As you can see now, if I go really far, it's like near this line, as you can see. So make sure it's near the line and it's like lined up. Not perfect, but like a bit. So now this doesn't look like a road at all, as you can see. It looks like a white piece of block. It doesn't look like a road, and it won't look like a road either. So right now, we're gonna name this road, this little cube thing. We're gonna name it road. So you wanna click on this road, aka cube, but it's a road now. So we're gonna call it road. And you wanna go to the inspector, and it's gonna show cube, and you wanna rename that to road. And there you go. Now, if you go to the sample scene, it shows a road, direction light, and main camera. Now we have something in the main camera, as you can see. So where's the main camera? It's pointing that way, and as you can see, it's showing our road now. So as you can see, this is called a road now, but it doesn't look like a road still because it's not gray or anything like that. So we need to make it, and we need to make something called a material, which is in Unity. So all we have to do to change the color of this, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is press in this empty space here in the assets folders and stuff, right click and then select create and then material right there. So all you're doing is right clicking, create, and then material. And then it says new material, and all you're gonna do is name this, you're gonna name this road, like that, press enter, and then there's your road, and you're like, oh my god, this color is a blue color. It's not a road color. You wouldn't see a road that's blue, would you? So we're gonna change the color. It's super easy to change the color. All you have to do is select the road, double click it, and then then there's like this little color area right there, and this is gonna make your color. So we're gonna press on the little pen, press on it, and then it's gonna bring, don't press on the pen, press on the little color, this little box, press on that, and it's gonna bring you a nice color wheel. And then all we want to do is select a color. So I'm just going to pick a purpley color and bring it to the near black grayish section. There we go, that's good. I think that's good, pretty good right there. And then all you want to do, once you've done that, is press the X. Once you've selected your color, you want to press the X. And then now this still doesn't look like a road. And you probably want to make this color go on this. So all we have to do, it's pretty easy. It's not like a piece of, you have to write a whole entire code just to make that color go there. All you have to do is drag this to there. That's all you do to color it. All you do. I'm not even joking. This isn't like fake. All you gotta do is drag it to here and place it down. That's all you gotta do. So left click and then drag it there and done. That's all you gotta do. And then you can also make this so like it's more smooth and metallic. So now so you can see it says metallic and smoothness. So I'm gonna make it more metallic. So now it's like metal type. And I'm gonna make it smooth. So now there's some reflection as well for the sun. Wait, I'm gonna bring the right there. That's good. So now in our game, if we're doing a race, like So we're doing a race, broom broom. We can see the sun down there, as you can see. So actually looks pretty realistic, right? So we're gonna, so you should, don't try, this is just a concept, so don't worry. It's not the biggest thing in the world. So just play around with the smoothness and metallicness. And I'm just gonna leave mine as 0 and 0 for now, because this is just a concept. You can always play with the smoothness, you can always play with the metallicness, and yeah. But I'm just gonna leave it as how it is, because I pretty much like this road right now. And yeah, so that is gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Make sure to share, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.
Okay, so on every single night, and I don't want to let you run.